And again, that's because there's things in our life that we cannot control that can affect our mental health, right? Maybe losing your job, going through a pandemic. I know we've all experienced that one recently. Maybe a loss in the family, trauma, right? So there's many factors that can cause us to go into that poor mental state of not feeling our best. So it is very important to know what to do when you are feeling mentally low. Because again, remember, there is going to be times when you're not feeling your best. And it's important to know what to do during that time. So the most important thing you can do if you are experiencing a poor mental state, that is going to be to talk to someone. Talk to someone. So opening up and talking about your mental health is one of the best and the most effective ways to help improve your mental state, right? So when we feel physically unwell, let's say, for example, you have COVID or maybe you have the flu, you're feeling unwell, you let people know, right? You call your partner, you tell your parents, hey, I'm not feeling too well. I think I'm sick. I'm physically unwell. Well, it's the same with mental wellness. If you are feeling not mentally well, let someone know. Let someone know that you are not feeling your best. That way you can really kind of get some support that you might need. And also when we talk to someone, we get a great sense of relief. So just remember, the next time you are feeling a little low, talk to someone, talk to someone. So who should you talk to? And that's going to be different for everyone, but I'll go ahead and share who you could talk to when you are experiencing some mental health problems, right? So number one, it could be, of course, your family. You could always talk to your family, your friends, a professional. So professionals are really effective at helping you navigate any mental health issues. That can be your healthcare provider. That could be a therapist, that can be a psychiatrist. So there is professionals out there that their whole job is to help people navigate with mental health. So that is a great option. Another great option is a support group. Support groups are really great. Lot of great success from people who join support groups. So if you're interested in that, I do recommend to seek some out. If you need an additional resource as to where you can find some of this help and support, this is one of my favorite resources, and it's Mental Health America. You can go ahead and visit this website listed on the screen. This resource is really great because you can find help near your area. So they have a lot of directories and lists where you can find things around you. So support groups around you, depending on the topic of what support you need. So again, this is a great resource if you're trying to find some support and someone to talk to. So go ahead and reach out, find some support for yourself, find someone to talk to. If you find it hard to talk about your mental health, which many people do find hard, you can try writing a letter. You can begin by journaling, maybe starting a journal and just, letting that out as you write. I do want you to keep in mind that talking about mental health does not have to be difficult, because remember, it's something we all have. We all have mental health, so we should all feel free to talk about it with each other. So remember, the next time you're feeling mentally low or experiencing those poor mental states, remember to talk to someone.